In the US, when it's moving, it always makes this sound probably. Most subways/metros always make that sound. And once they come to a station, they open the doors and always go like this.
Attention Platform 1. Train to Central is approaching. Please stand clear of the platform edge.
And then the doors close. And it gets a bit annoying after thousands of times of hearing it if you use the metro a lot. And then this sound starts again. And all US metros have American flags right on the side, like right there. It's a bit blurry, but it's right there.